Yo stud, what's up? So today we're going to be making some tearaway shorts. You can find the sewing pattern on my Etsy page, like so. Link in the description below. You can also check out my other stuff on Etsy, other sewing patterns I have for sale on Etsy. That would look something like this. With the purchase of this sewing pattern, you also get a summary page that lists out all the sewing pattern pieces needed for this garment, and also the materials that you need and their amounts, like so. So first of all, we're going to start with sewing the front panels together, right side together, and then also the back panels together, right side together at the bendy seam, yeah, slide, curved, yeah, you know. Yeah, and then now you measure the top edge first, not first, top edge now, and then you cut a little bit more than that measurement, with the secondary fabric. Oh yeah, there's two fabrics as well. Yeah, you can see. And you fold over the waistband, and then you just sew it to the top edge, and then whatever remaining, just cut it off, slice it off. And like you cut more than you need, so it definitely actually is enough. Yes, see, cut. Nice. Now we're gonna do is measure the waist, your waist, and then cut it in half. What am I saying? Measure your waist, then cut the waist elastic in half, and then put it through the waistband. You're gonna do this whole entire process for the back panel as well. So once you get the elastic through, just zigzag stitch it down, maybe 3 times, up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Just secure it. Yeah, and then sew it down on the other side as well, like so. Make sure to use a color matching thread, so you can't really see it. Yep, oh good. Now you want to measure the sides, but you want to hem the shorts first. I didn't really hem it because the fabric design was giving I don't need to be hemmed vibes, so I didn't hem it. And also the fabric was actually doesn't fray, so it's actually like a very good coincidence that it doesn't need to be hemmed. So I recommend getting a non-hemming fabric, because it really like the hemming is so long and like it's kind of like hard because it has to be like exact same size, and I can't hem for shit. So yeah. Yep. Now you just want to cut the Velcro accordingly to the size of the side strip, just a little bit less. I think it says in the summary page how to do it, maybe. Yeah. Make sure you cut out 2 fairy sides and 2 non-fairy sides. When I did this, I cut it wrong. What you want to do is align the Velcro to the center of the quarter center. It sits in the summary page. It makes more sense when you see it visually. Just sew it down, just like a rectangle, like around the perimeter. And also align the Velcro more to the top. So figure out which side's top. And the non-fairy side should be on the front panel's side, you know? And then the fairy side should be the back. And also, the front panel should have the Velcro facing down, so you can't see it in the end. But the back panel should have the Velcro facing up. So you would be seeing it if it's attached to the front panel, but you would see it if it wasn't. So keep that in mind when you actually sew everything together, because like when you sew the side strip to the front panel and the back panel, it'll be kind of different in terms of visibility of what you're seeing. I think that makes sense. Just have a little think about it. Yep, so I'm just attaching it now. This is the front panel, because I guess you can see the Velcro. I don't really know how to like explain it, but just think about it. Yeah, good. And then once you do all the side strips, then it should look something like this. And then after now, now you just want to sew the front and back panels together at the cross seam. And it should look something like this at the end. Oh wow. Oh, scandalous. What a tease. Oh, we're gonna get a full rip. Oh my god, we did. Wow. See how the front and back panels are attached together, so you can't lose one side, which is pretty good. You can check out my other Etsy stuff, like so, on my Etsy page. Thanks for watching. Later, stud, and subscribe if you want. Thank you.